I'm going to show you how to write a script for your YouTube videos. But wait, before we get started, let's take a moment to appreciate the fact that we live in a world where anyone with a camera and internet connection can become a YouTuber. Isn't that amazing? Okay, let's get down to business. The first step in writing a script is to come up with a topic. What do you want to talk about? It could be anything from your favorite recipes to the latest conspiracy theories. Just make sure it's something you're passionate about and that your audience will find interesting. Once you have your topic, it's time to start brainstorming. Write down as many ideas as you can, even if they seem silly or irrelevant. You never know what might spark a great idea. Okay, so maybe some of your ideas weren't so great. That's okay. The important thing is to keep going until you find something that really speaks to you. Now that you have your topic and your ideas, it's time to start writing your script. I want to tell you some tips for engaging your script. First of all, start with a hook. The first few seconds of your video are crucial for capturing your audience's attention. Start with a hook that grabs your attention and makes them want to keep watching. Tell a story. Stories are a powerful way to engage your audience and make your content more relatable. Use examples or personal experiences to illustrate your points and connect with your viewers. Use humor. Humor is a great way to break the ice and make your content more enjoyable to watch. Use jokes to keep your audience engaged and entertained. Keep it interactive. Interactive elements like quizzes and challenges can make your content more engaging and encourage your audience to participate. Consider incorporating interactive elements into your script to keep your viewers engaged and invested in your content. Use visuals. Visuals like images, graphics, or animations can help illustrate your point and make your content more engaging. Use visual strategically to break out text and keep your audience interested. Keep it concise. YouTube viewers have short attention spans, so it's important to keep your script concise and to the point. Avoid long introductions that don't relate to the main topic of your video. At last, end with a call to action. In your video with a call to action that encourages your viewer to engage with your content or take action. This could include asking them to like, comment, or share your video. By following these tips, you can make sure your script is engaging and keep your audience invested in your content. Remember to experiment the different techniques and strategies to find what works best for your channel and audience.